These 3/8" drive socket sets from Klutch give you the torque you need to get the job done quickly. One set includes 9 standard sockets from 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch and 6 deep well 6-point sockets from 3/8 inches to 3/4 inches. A second set includes 9 standard 6-point sockets from 10 mm to 18 mm and 6 deep well 6-point sockets from 10 mm to 18 mm. Made of chrome vanadium steel, both sets feature an innovative technology that grab fasteners on their sides instead of corners, allowing higher torque without stripping the corners. Each set also includes a quick-release ratchet handle and 3-inch and 6-inch extension bars. They come with convenient blow-molded plastic cases for easy storage and transportation. Quickly tighten and loosen all kinds of fasteners with these socket sets from Klutch.